Ya tu ha content. Unim so unim yan so. Ya tu me content. Ya so unim yan so. Ya tu me content. Dan ben na ka jan say dan ben na uti ma no.
Sofo uti kasa. Da yan kasa.
Na what so be say program. Na what the injection.
Da yan kasa.
What is your major problem?
Me person me bisa mpacho me ba. Da se eye to fia why na she date.
Bisa abusuafo nyina na modwene ho na mo ahye date. Ya Abusuapanin go a. Ana tie mame ka samba ko mame kama hwe mame chema de enipa bebre kwa eyisu yewura ote kokoso na ase tu amde no bo atadwe ate dende enipa bebre eyisu ni din tie mie na setu on she date ema obi ayi mame kire omu ene se ye to ofi a abusua ni nyina modwene ho a na mo de akoto yewura anim na wa bless mo pacho tie mie na yewura tu kwan ti na dade so aba ekọ kan na ntese no kese papa asemo e de new to me nti monko na sama hene ho na monko kan kire no
eye wu date for
yes date for
13th ni de
na emwa
meba 13th ni de munyina mu jitu mu
baby mi
na ma date me say oyina je date 13 na beba
oh mini problem
date na o kan na ma so
kire mu ka
we Abusuapanin oh eno obi Abusuapanin na o ya to asa
me pa cho ma mi cha
na wo kire
Mom ko show mu date 13 no na me ni ho
mo the next time you tell say work 14 e better to on you see
so just say na me ni ho nti na dade so aba na ka che ye nyina say o friend na sama hene nti enko na sama hene wona ye ni abusua ni nyina za akwa Abusuapanin
Abusuapanin o kwa be
sofo
ma na be je
ye je na sama hene mami mo amane ya ko to na sama hene mo ni akasa and was papa me too kwa remember 29
me say me 28
sofo
pajo me ti
na ya za de kwa
meeting na se Abusuapanin ka won ye be sie
na me ni wa wo betumi akọ onye ho
mpacho me ba se Abusuapanin ka won ye be sie ye papa Lumba
yes
okay se dia wo ka Abusuapanin ya she date se 13 December
oyini bo na she date na ma me say date
sa na ko yes continue and you got to the piano. Oh, na mani tintin create. Are you seeing the tiemie?
Don't tie me.
Mami ka sem no mami ka no kwenjo. Wo se yenko sama ene wo mami yakọ sama ene wa onim. Yakọ na sama ene Abusuapanin.
Yakọ sama ene wo na.
Because odwane na o record no e de enti e ko ni fi o ma ho.
Me dwane wan.
Oh.
Me dwane wan.
Yakọ na dade so ba wa ma bisa yakọ.
Na eno ade ye ni ho.
Afi ni wako.
Sofo.
Yes.
Na wo ye Abusuapanin.
Da nya abote.
Nye Abusuapanin. You need Lumba picture ba ko kire me.
Sofo.
You need a picture one picture me.
Picture
me gaza for 20 years about we have be fa yi.
Sofo.
O ga se ni pen ngora.
Who is that
Sofo. Da.
I am blessed by God grace.
I don't need
to give money to people.
Sofo papa.
I have Jesus.
Who needs you have Jesus?
I have Jesus.
Sofo.
Do you sum nyame?
Sofo.
Yes.
Sofo Kumchacha.
I stand by the truth.
Da. Relax.
Nana sama hini so tu for ba yin nko. Omo ambushi ye e o manjia. Omo ambushi ye omo isu otu for. Omo isu na na de ye. Oyin mi na je ye.
Ase metam.
Metam na fi wo mu fe ase emra manjia na na so otu to so yan.
Mesemo.
Mama.
Ey abote. Ey nya me nua be ma da. Date na ye di be ye yie no. Why Abusuapanin me pacho bomba me
13th December no ano
yes
13 14 send bibia
me pacho me das
de oyene action no eno an ye de na team so
me das sofo date na be down pacho meet you
date ni 14th of March
oh sofo me pacho
so me dey call out
me pacho
mama me das say show ya ye no say obia wo nadwen kyela wo kyele eti show ne de obie ni wono ma wo ye bias e wo so sabe de owo fie kura wo de ne message e ba no ono so wo nadwen kyela ono so e kyele na eya me ya pa de nti a ene ma bi ya me ya no say ya papa de Lumba yese ana yenim so ye the legend wi ase nyina ne Ghana yen soso ne so ni ho agro na em se ya hwe ne yama bi ekoso wo na yie hu ne ade a meka se Lumba mewi ase kora akeye wa mewi ase kora akeye ebi ade meka obi nti ase ena no metum meka se I say Lumba mewi ase kora na wase be useless.
Hey.
Yes.
Oh, me useless.
Oh, mama chlo o ken osenkafo etire Ecclesiastes no an osenkafo etire nsia enchichemu miensa oso obi bewi ase na obebo abrabo bebre wasase we so na se woni pani wu na yansie ni yi a akwala ne maame yi na to gotam kura so wonfa so chen no
yeah
Ecclesiastes 6:3 eti anyame na meka eye Bible ena makotu eti meka se Lumba ase wo bewi ase no wa be useless
enyansie
na ada ye na me ye na me ba wo de ye mame men kam de yemi mame kam de yemi because any am ekoso ni bi ono mo a awre ho na me di free court wonom e de aba abse ye mame judge onumunyanfo a wotena adwa so no sade ya be ya onko benkum no onko nifa na Ghana fo nka se judge no wako benkum judge no wako nifa eti no oyo ba tampenti no wose amani mi yenu nyina enye kuna amani mi yenu nyina ensie won kun no
in what basis
na onye kuna me fe se judge no epe asomdwe ana wi aso obi a onom asomdwe kuru obi a no oye nyame nipa according to 1 Corinthians 14:33 Bible so nyame nya sakasaka nyame na momo nyame ya asomdwe nyankopon eti no judge ne di asomdwe aba ana Abusuapanin so mate na se yese wose ya man ni yenu nyina anye kuna but still papa Shee say on pese sabe e man ni yenu yekuna
oba e mane no ade no ko ekuna
eti no wo yesa won oni pa bi a Yesu ka bibi kire Farisifo no e John 8:44 wose moja mu firi ne mo ne boro nsam
waja ne bonsam se okose obi aware
et unya Abusuapanin
waja ne bonsam se support mo
ewiase no yesi okoso oja but yankwohwe nkwem
doni papa wanya na ebone ma
doni papa wanya no di ufi asem wodi ufi asem wi a no wabedi abonten so de
na di bi fi asem ti na su Lumba so
wodi ya no woni nwie ye
na di ama na su Lumba so bi se na ka
because sa BBC na emra kwan mu no na ye fra Abusuapanin se Abusuapanin mra na Abusua mra ye mfra danfo
ye be fe ya poku ni akosi abempo ani mama George na fa na
awde on ye Abusua
awde ni on fa so no
awde ye be fra won on ye Abusua
ani won mo tuma so no
I don't believe say because even ye information bi kura say court to them wo kura papa say ye pamon
o me ba jo
because sa wo ye Abusuani a sa wo ye Abusuani anka ya Abusuani a
ya pamu me
anka ya pamo
obua you are lying this documents
so kasa
I don't know say
mummy ehwe mental f you mo kan say adwemu yade mummy ehwe ni yie because adwemu yade eye rare adwemu yade pass maybe dementia and say amane high fever ni yade no eye rare
for you to understand the truth
ewo pa
you don't say the truth
truthfulness
the truth is not in you
one say ewiase no wonu say sabe me use word way police ni ntina mato sabe police ni baako sabe ntina mato woni munyansa che driver for be 20 ntina ma de sabe be braba opa abeka junction ya ma traffic light no enum driver for obi apeso obe wuram obi apeso obe police ni baako be gina wo pa ordinance ase ebe ma cars na move sabi koka men presi ani se ekoko no wonu manyamfo judge a wote akonwam akasa monko na mumienu nyina monko yekuna
ede no ba ngware ni no ba wale ko yekuna
oba ti ko na ko yekuna eti kuna na judge se monko na monko ye no aba besi Abusuapanin so mi ba bia ebia osofu Kumchacha ebia men fama dwen ema Abusuapanin enwo we ka wono ye date na ye 13 for no 13 for no de meka say 13th aben meka say bi aben if say any date kura be 29
aka 2 weeks
Send the asset to us na.
okay
So free da na eba.
etino said ya be ya
Every tete.
enipa sabe won wa chiri ene said ya hihye be koyie na nkoya ho peperenti no ka ekon nanimu a eno ye memadwe nkyele ene mema dwenchele ekonani makebeboa but edu ba bia sade ye ne ma kona mempre gidi ni ade de sabe onse wo ma yaso onse wo ma ye ni nyawo
na onse mo de so an ye bumu
ana wi ase ye nsuo bi eto ebedi abro ni mu na ne mfrema ebo ne ye de hwe
sa
wudi abro ne ebe ye ani mfifie mu ana wudi ye hu
sa pepepe
ana wudi aba akwa awade ye no de ye dwapade ye bebe fie wo hia akonta ahwe ndi shu
o se wuni sika no de ahwe ni aba
what you say eti ewiase no said ya wo ye no eya me won say wo ye sa because sabe asem wo ye abemi osof Kumchacha ma me se wa a wo Germany odoburoni sabe ye nyina ba ye chele ya dwen de wen kura me kura be ka bibi say Lumba na wade ye mienu ha me o wale me ensa ne enan kura me pe e ma me kura me de me example say me nye ska na wale bebre eti no ade e ba mu a me kan wasam ye wedding say wedding no ye ye no na akofa sensam we nyina aba say Lumba nye wedding ana wale mienu ana wale me ensa
kana problem
ana wowu a anka sabe e ma mienu me ensa nyina eye kuna eti amasa na say wedding no wa ye awie na kokoto na say jeje say yankoya ade na yamo yama me nana jeman konadu say mimi ndani ya na yi
ya
Enna ya boy.
ya yo Friday
ani ya na yi
yewura Sunday
sabi Lumba nwo ya no owuja but ya tutu niema ame ya na yi eti de bia fole ya koka Lumba na eni pa bi di bibia se wontirim ana ya muta na we yachi ana muta we yachi obi entai obi yachi sabe obi nhwe obi ana obi atai obi yachi sabe ya wo fia utumi de comment eba no na wo kire wadwen no sabe ye nyina ye kire yadwen eti medua papa she on to ne boase na ba bia wo kɔ no
na to me boase for his what way so ye bu obi kwase na me hu kwase
wona awo no
oh nti ku o ga so obi bu kwase me twam sa
wudi ye twam
me nya sa da me nya sa
wudi ye twam
me nya sa
ebi ase
me nya sa
wudi so obi kura to me de car bo obi
me nya sa
obi
me ka jisie
obi to me de car bo obi
me ma jisie obi
na wo no wa de car bo no no twam wudi ona wa wo pese wo ye papa kora bo ano no wo pegya ne de ne to kam na di hospital ni wo wu a
ye be ka so na eku
ye be ka so na wo ku
papa fo no
papa bi wo na se wo ye na papa no ye du ba bi a na ho bebe nsam na nsam na e ba ne nya adenti na wo ntwa so
for what
so na wo so
sa busia na yimi se men kasa no minya kasa na busia na minya dem
Oma no mo dia go ina no fa se ne o.
Abusuapanin woni
abusuapanin no you say kasa man
abazu abemboma
O se mo po ma ya me wo fa se
Georgina Lumba ne ma nyina abusuapanin nyina ne wo fa se fo
me pacho
oni no fa se bemboma
to so obi so asamo de me metam
so for me pacho what to say ye papa Lumba ne ma miensa aba because of ye
me pacho bebre kwa omo ba Ghana da bi enti omo ba wa ye na nse me pacho menti yo na ka chementi se omo ba Ghana enti omo ba se nse na nyim ya mposi Kevin
so pacho we
me na be Kevin ko pacho me na be Kevin
that's for uka
Omo be ye on be ye on 30 years.
o say menti o kasa no
Obehu asa na watwo ho.
o say me ka bi sa adwo
Obehu de
papa me kasa wa o say me ka bi sa adwo me yade o na say me ka adwo me yade asabe ye nyon no na me ka sa adwo me
yade na o dem say my brother but what you look u face no niam me no kasa wa kingdom my for ka say me meje me tin say dem need aboju so onya bi ape
oh na food da and you
na di madam king and di madam say me
and di na food da o say kingdom my from one ade bi a wo ye wo ho no
so ye ka asem wa o mamu divi me so ti
o say
o say
me did what am way me see wo bi wo wa masa ade na wo to wo ase
Yenko.
Mami, do baby aho.
So puti. Yenko.
Me dase. Me de manu sisi ana me nua no enso abem. Me dase. Ewi ase won samodin ayebum. Etu oni pa bi awo no mato bo ase. Obi nye be menchen obi. Show ne ye ba ye respect won a ehwe. Ye mpanifuo
kofo
ehwe yen. Eti edu baby a na ye mpanifuo kasa kyerɛ yan. Na ya fa. Ba se office nipa wo ye be ma ye pon show na abonten wo ho. Na won why you me masem.
Baby asana keka chengo.
Ah, why you me masem. Na wo dia me ni na wo wo dia wo ya ya bo ahwe de on na ye wa ha.
Me name no.
Onim no wo ye nipa poni nipa.
Oh. Bianco.
Yes, Empress. It's not see. Suban bi wo Ghana for ye ho. Na papa Shee adabi edi wa ha. Ene sen so obi nya kwan kotena broche di mfie mienu evangelist papa Shee adabi edi wa ha.
Medasi.
Obi nya kwan ekotena broche mfie baako mienu miensa akwa. Eye ne sen hyehyɛ ya ewa broche nyina ye papa chen de ete ho wo Ghana ha nto mo kasa na so mo gu nkofo animtia. Wontimi mbu judge mu a wasua mmra adru sa level na nimtia e ma ne nyeye. Una ode ho na ode wasem ono judge no no on sorry ensimu pampampa enkope ensise papa fanto evidence a ode aba homa wana ensi we baabi anti Germany ni mmra na wo fu aso se eno kra wo soro ten Ghana na Ghana de oba ye di attention no o ma me judge ba ko wo Germany ho a wo fiti prekope akwakopa adanse da be fa wo de so but people cho Mr. ono de otini be e na wo de wa asem ayeden abreno enti what dance ya wo na ese osua ediba papa Shee
evangelist
papa Shee
sister
evangelist papa Shee
thank you
me ka chro enne say mejira yesu Empress
please
please
ndimi need what am very careful
Empress evangelist papa Shee
thank you
mejira nyankopon di mu kra ka chro say we problem
me a problem
yes
onto your mindset
see asie ene wuntire mu so ye problem
your mindset
e ka ho bi na de yedru baby yedru e ka say what is say opponent no lawyers ni bi pie free judge no office e buy
and I say no more can anymore
I'm trying to insinuate
me say she mentioned my name
what are you trying to insinuate
don't mention my name there if you mention my name I'll give you answer
ye nyina ye ni lawyer fatika say what train say ya o fa so a ye betimi authenticate with document with the free amanoni
e don't give it to you
Muloya efeli, that is what you should be bold enough to tell him because on yema naya odi ko to court no emu baku kre ni wa ye san asem na na meeting ni interview o say na eye ne say emreda asem ne ho nti said the emre ne e konkan no ntinka so man authenticate document ne kra emre ni so ntinka say nka court ni gitum no mo extra to mo de baye no ye som ne de ye adwuma
why the sir
meeting interview o piece of lawyer kusi
and okay just say documents
mami address a friend say situation ye wie ya no akogina court abontin e ma shout out to wo yire
na e
dey
we are jealous na
me jealous of what same na ba wonim the only party lawyer party e kasa no obisa ne sanya bia court ne spelling out in say e da honom say wo de krata free amano ne aba mo ma gia tum de ye adwuma Osiri craft home because a idea a basic or your lawyer ni kwadia. You should know the basic things I would declare tell me from another neighbor. A quiet was with the first one and a court na too. Oh no judge penny sorry. And quite evidence if I fall wherever they can we. And we sit here and we be a discredited judge Nejuma and discredited meme yanki ya true contempt near your ball petty.
Ya true contempt. Wouldn't only me as own. That's a minute. Yes, only me as own. That's a minute contempt. Don't be a judge and say, don't be a
Casa, Miss retracting.
Apologize for Manu apologize to the organ. Only contempt.
Don't
go that level. I respect you too much. I respect you. Don't go that level. Don't go that level. careful. I respect you. You got to be very careful.
Video. Say bi omu na mo ye legal wife mo nko na wo se ma mo kwan ma mo ye kuna no me ade ba kwa na me nim se omu wo advantage wo so eye sa krata no certificate no into no obi a wo feel self sa de ni ade a tumi wo ho no wo concentration nyina as a lawyer no e wo se ko sa dance no ho na wo make sure say eye krojin yakoya esi e video bi wo court dem ho say bi o Lumba wenya ne ba bi ko ni maami free mu no ye hu se na ye maami akosia sewa esu wo video na ebida social media wo video ni se maami ni so fu oda ho kwapo ye hu afu na ni ya ka say na tie.
These people are very, very.
They say no shouldn't be idea was a focus here then ekoso. Because certificate ni idea so good. E ke beti mi ati asem mu clean na nyina ya pay baby atna. Appeal ya say amosi mu koi. Obi say lawyer for no be catch o. Eye empen kakra bi ni etimi e catch o say for fresh evidence bi bra e be ka sample from no. One show ya de wo de kotu mu kane na ye botu gu ya ye ka asem nyina mu koye kuna no. Enua na wo say o sa ko present na wo de present ya be. E man so sesayo evidence act man sesayo. Say was authenticated through a process and say na ya giatum. Na wo de koni ya ma chance for fresh evidence but na appeal no wo appeal ye wo koya na say wo buy. Iti ye kan you should be bold enough to spell out to lawyer and say we failing more.
Oh failing.
We failing more. That is what you should focus on. I didn't think there was a better na chinwe hu diary. Empress. I didn't think there was a better more team the day I did from left, right, center.
Because I know pretty Ghana.
Again, yentina say MOB in disrespect your court no. Nipa no watre o say wo they almost free craft fair for original no and now the rifle document. Enye ne. Yatina what until e wo hono man pa. Enti mutimi yi fa ba de bia people show mutimi yi bi court no me ehunu say e bi me.
Sabi we are
once again judge Lanka say e fake na mom she say ye da ho ansa na wo be present court and na ye problematic.
So men tell you okay.
What's the meaning of this?
The komu go through process na.
And one a judge na hwehwe.
Okay.
And say on to Germany nti no limu mra entemra.
It's original. You can decide to receive it or denounce it. It's original, authentic. Any it's authentic. Hey, fake.
Yeah, Empress. Money apologize. Money tina. Ninyansa no dey adwuma no tina no mu no fanante. Am money apologize.
You were there.
What's it?
What's the first one no come the buy no. Na different. And the second way so different.
Na say ukoji date this is Germany this
is no or say fake. We fake. Lawyer na catch. I'm saying it.
Want to confirm?
Lawyer I say fake. Lawyer say catch say what German the lawyer no ka say what German.
Yeah, we fake.
Yes. Or point.
Munim papa
Sakrawaji ne ga evangelist na unmu nyame na.
Mutimi Ghana. Oh yeah. Of course say why say there. Why you we say on fie. We fake.
Senye fake anke antama mo.
Wanka fake. Me say no course wo.
Me say senye fake anke wa mfama mo. Kada na anke wa angry.
Na nya Africa ne onye Ghana na mo.
African. Tu be say Africa ye gu Africa nyina ntro.
Enye omu nyina about. Atufo ne dey John 8:44.
Krata na o de ba na nye.
Na wa
Suffer. Ola.
Mama we kro amso won ye na Ashanti no town. They say
so Abusuapanin say man
me say Ashanti no town.
But don't mo ya me Ghana ina wa say. Abusuapanin say am kuma Ashanti no town. Say Abusuapanin lawyer ne ka. Ofu nya mani Ashanti no town.
Efe say o ma ko ye no Ashanti.
Ghana for ma to dey talk Ghana.
I mean say yesu so na adwuma no no. Sa fake
Someone say me boy.
Yeah, but
they said it.
Who share process na ekita any ade no ode chere.
Na something you tell say what
was
Lumba is citizen. Fake niema mo be citizen.
Na say wanyo na ma Lumba is citizen.
Daddy,
yes, wanyo na ma is citizen.
Oh Jesus.
I don't know go. Anya say one na Lumba is citizen.
Suffer.
Hey, Abusuapanin no twa draw.
Okro fla go che by what you say.
Suffer.
Me back Ghana 7 years.
Oh, da.
I'm so fresh.
Mama Bajo.
Yes. I've been here for 7 years. It is already 7 years.
Me pacho da me show. Eniama okita me di hu ye. From foreign affairs me hu so almost stamp no omo nyame go so.
They said it inside the court. Mommy said they said it inside the courtroom.
Okay.
Say enye papa.
Me pacho. Me pacho.
Ono na ko fe e tu contusion mu bantuma ye contusion Adams no mo ye best stamp German stamp am asisi a sign bi ni we Ubia wale krata.
Suffer. Suffer. Pacho.
Only doctor, only nurse na nko na dada dia so abati.
Suffer.
Ko sa gba ko ni ko na lo ye. It
is suffer. Ya wo ye. You get to be bisa wasep. Da yen ka so.
Now what so be say program.
Now what the first injection.
Da yen ka so.
What is your major problem?
You are here to explain yourself.
What is your major problem?
Mama,
Wakuma no obi saw.
Yeah, na oyi says
shut up.
Enra,
who are you? I'm Nana Yakusa.
Who are you?
I'm a dangerous papa. Who are you?
Stop with that.
Suffer. Me pacho. Aha. Let me put this on record. Opium na.
Where would you go?
Oh yeah.
Your behavior shows.
Me pacho. Yeah.
Yes.
Suffer. Opium me pacho. Wedding mama Kosia said what?
Go and check all your programs. Go and check. Bias programs no me. Any perfume now mom to be kind of prayer.
You are bias. You are bias. Who now you bias?
My program here.
I'm putting it to you.
The first time I'm program here. They watching Ghana. We are watching your dance.
I saw your ban into our corner. So,
you only have make us.
Yeah. It's okay.
Only sorry about go but turn out the
suffer.
We been watching you guys.
Meba. Suffer. If you are telling us, say you be watching us.
Yes, every day I watch you on Saturday.
The show doesn't belong to you.
I'm not saying the show doesn't belong to me.
Suffer.
You have to be fair in your programs.
We are doing.
You have to be fair. In any case, you have to be fair.
Suffer.
And Ukraine won't mean Ghana.
Suffer. And Ukraine, they who you busiani.
Say if an apple, who you busiani?
Yes.
Who you
Are you from the family?
I am representing Akosia Bimpoma.
Are you a family member? Are you a blood?
Of course, yes.
You are situation. Because
What is the truth? Tell us the truth. You think
what is the truth?
You think you're Suffer?
Yes, of course.
You are funny.
Suffer. Obi wari amoso wa wari.
Some de me catch o mo say o mu mienu nyina nko ye kuna na nye fe.
One man letter bia.
Kura. Me ma wo bia letter.
But eba out to say so for Papa she say outro letter.
Na nye no kura. Anya no kura da.
Pacho mo nyina mo kai letter ni bi. E wo social media be.
E no say na bi obi e ko
say enyo no no outro.
Me lawyers, when say me catch us lawyers na try letter go do say so family. When I have family head.
To bo mama ntia wa say
so for pay.
to bo ase.
Le chamazie.
Pacho da kasa.
Enti mama e ba sa na o de bre me no. Na che say me de mam lawyer say court de me nko order o mo nenim ngoma. Ne ko hwie mu e na aja o mo de ko court. Enti court say o mo ye me interviews no say mutie bia. La anu busami a metumi kan yen say tema o mo ye ne ho ade o ye de mini be say ne da ho a mate. Me busam say ne da ho a mate. Ya ba ya. I say witnesses bi no. Eni nti no ye friend say omo kan asem na omo de court no afei na lawyers no ebe yi no ma daddy Lumba atro ato.
Okay.
What you say? No ma daddy Lumba atro. Say lawyers no kasa de ma me ko gina ho no. Me ko gina what say Lumba.
Say Lumba. Damn pacho. Be say wo clear ha ma me. One throw letter mama makosia say was say kuna no. Aji se oni odobru ni ye enye letter na wo tro ye
se anye aji se oni odobru ni ye
o ma ne nye
David akosia David akosia se wa de se free the nyina na me so no kra na mini no na me sa akoka chen se won ka ho
it's one tro no no de
David wow ono de ye free ha no a wo kwa abrochire no de be hu an se letter na abase ye nko court
me patcho na letter na e pie bae no
me hu poda
no lawyers
me patcho
Ebi ka we ni ho
the lawyers like na wo kan
yes lawyers no
let's Debbie
almost say we answer
no David mama omu to me
no na asem bi enu obeba ya
mama kan say me mama pacho daddy 1 second daddy Lumba lawyers no ebe dani odobru ni lawyer any Abusuapanin lawyer by force me can draw away for so me say wa brother de mo fair no Abusuapanin we refi so invite ni Kumase and am koye meeting
why
uncle you can say wa brother
we invite
no say one prena get ni kure ni e wona letter no ba ye na me
any enti na odi akire dindin na wonchon no me nya
say also twon
anya me na me
yo Abusuani
me Abusuani Abusuapanin just me Abusuani
we nya Abusuani wo ba
me ya more than Abusuani you are my own son okay when I say that
me fia na ode bre me ana me na say say wa so say na say wa de was Abusuapanin say media my day boy young boy bi na de bre me me fia o ana am say dey asem ono ko kwa abrochire wo mai no ba da ben no de we ebesa man na je say me de ma lawyers enti ye de ma lawyers no ena say wansem a ono ena ansem e wo fie wo enyina me no me hunu wo de nsa beja ware ono ane lawyer karata na wo ka no ono ane say wan ma ne lawyer to bo ase de meka ne tie ni yi
kai no
one more can I saw kind.
Daddy Pacho, money cassa.
One more can I say about Mundo Mekan.
Daddy me Pacho cassa.
And now, Baba Jama, Nenen call for, on a lawyers no. On Muno, and a Lumba lawyers. Me fall, Damekura me copy the police station on my lawyer. I just said them we are me go police station. Omu lawyers no. Into omu nebe yi sa feles nyina so obi wu a. Omu na so di bibia jedu bibia nka mu ze nke ye na wie no na lawyer de. Wa be kan a kire wo. Enti samu ma gofa sansensem we no ma ma. Nka menye sure say lawyers di bibi be ba beto abonten. Saman kofa we am man na mastermind. Debira mi se mi de minim she.
Okay.
Because ko jo mu na che. Only so ba mo 11. Me start my adwuma Jesus ah. Me wi enso me go an toko waste company. Me near daje half kura. Onu anso nim. Onu wonim. Ese ni fie ko tantra hello say e okura me nim wo.
Say you wu ya.
I me nim ba bi me nim. Ze so ko say me nso mu fa nko ba bi tantra hello me nim wo. Promo aben sheda me nim ha o. Me nim ha. Why are there? Ene de nkasa wonya ade.
Thank you.
So on the see why are there?
Thank you.
So it's mama lawyers in the mommy who said
oh suffer.
Oh, what's one?
Da kasa.
I don't know Ben so in the seat. I'm saying say darling yan dia.
Make us say make it my idea.
Da yenko.
Etino. Ye kokoti. Say na make a chemo say. Se mutie eyinu a. Court dem wo nyina make asa. E ka say we nu nyina me de minim. Only say lawyers no say so be your lawyer had there. Yes say kojo no efre busuam. Enti say me busuam. Me kura me ka say me nko. E be that way. Me ka chen say me nko court won na nko kina. And say no. Once an aye busuam panyin ni de. This will be gina ho man.
Yes say lawyer abaso person clear bibi. Me no wo ka say de me wo eye Abusuapanin council ne lawyer lawyer Fati Ali Yala ewo line so nti ye ne kwakodi nkomo. Hello council.
Hello, good evening.
Council, good evening. Mpacha to say
Nyame adumo.
Yeda nyame ase. Me pacho Friday you say our lady the judgment no the by me patcho ubetumi twamfoni de course so the pa na course so e wo courtroom
Sanya onim dada no mami akosia de Abusuapanin Odobroni any transition funeral home or the echo court. Now, of course, no, she was seeking for some relief. Now, the relief not seeking, say, court declaration say, or no, and that the Lumba ni surviving spouse. And declaration say, or no legal rights. So that performing the widowhood rights. And court in so sign order. Very restraining Abusuapanin from organizing or dealing with Odobroni as that is human is filed.
Okay.
And the fourth one is the court, and restraining Odobroni from publicly presenting herself and her public say or didn't hold back we are saying in answer or no need that Lumba ere. It's the fifth one in a year injunction or city say cotton and fan and santo a moon to our transitional funeral home now more releasing body name ma Abusuapanin for barrier.
Okay.
Infinitely, Madam Akosana can release or seeking me.
Okay.
And court in Shushamuna, court in a box, means some meaning egg. Court in a bonning some meaning. Injunction or court and granted. And about other release now or seeking or other form. Court in evaluating evidence, Nina. Ye examination, cross-examination, expert witness by court ni hwehwe ni nyina mu na court no ever declare say Madam Akosia only to me say or the name betu emunu so anaso be prevent Abusuapani say onye ontimi nye yie na fi say da eyi yo a ne ho nsema Abusuapani nko na wo say to me no Abusuapani ne nkrofo omo na say to me ne wo mo nti Mami Akosia say wa ontimi yesa ena ba ne say wan ne oyire so oyo oyire so yo oyire no obia beka na asem Odobroni ne nkrofo beka e o metre ye senia wo mo ware no ne ayi ni ewo wo ho nyina obia beka na asem ena ho no court ni hwemu ene nia expert witness ne kan ye kire say traditional marriage no and as a customer marriage no se busuafo ne betra no mo ka ensam no na ntia say ye adwuma na ye de etinsa ye de nsane ba na we no other partner dia ene na ware no ware na di mu aha exefi wa ye din kan hwe Akosia Madam Akosia to ni German certificate na odi ba ya HSO for your yire no ye hwehwe mu no ninkra to odi beba no ninkra ta na akoye mienu
okay
date wenku signature we signature nko ni yes one fanko pa process mu say what the foreign document back chrome ha yeah what process is our family say English language I over for your translation
okay
from a certified translator would be before be translation would be call marriage office or akwaji extract no be translation uria wako notarize uria no ko Ghana embassy e wo born ansa na wo de aba na not enkrata no mo de baye no anfa we no mu nyina mu enti my lord catch on say omo my lady catch on omo nko no nko for original nembra original we are de baye omo de baye na ye family history with a family book bi a truck wa German mu any de baye next say extract of that book no mo de baye na still no marriage original marriage certificate extra na yes hwehwenya no mo de ba court no enti evidence mu no we no my lord don't to mean in evidence and oje kurampo a you will have a very low probative value internet just court to show we no nyina no ne krata no o de baye no na ne krata ne meet requirements na we say meet a e ma ne kire say we ordinance certificate a ye be di atum it's a certificate yes o copy ye keke a we de baye no na ya di atum da bi e was say faster mail no na sex ni nyina akoso ansana it's when my lady said any based on near traditional we expert witness we kind on account traditional marriage and divorce no official mu na just say ordinance ni free what dia na just customary marriage no is still there for Akosia sewa Odobroni so I declare no as a wife internet so mu mienu no se ano omo ayeye no under customary law
okay
na momo ka bibi omaya ancillary eyi e kan ho say ancillary order no ye say e ba no eyi yo any ekunaya asema eye Abusuapani ne nkrofo no omo na omo determine no yanu ni dina oba no aye in-law no relationship a wo ni ebusua no in this instance no e was say Mami Akosia ba ebusua no ho be pe ebusuafo ni chew obepo mo chew ansana ebusuafo no etumi amane kwai nti o kire Abusuapani ni say wasre se Mami Akosia be pa ni chew a obetumi ahwe eno no ebusuafo na asem wan hye Abusuapani by force say mani nye kuna there be o say eba ni kuna yo asem ne ho hyehyeye ebe yi yoma Abusuapani ne nkrofo no omo prerogative no na mom eno nyina so gina say in law no ni omo no good relationship wo say good relationship ni wo dia ene in law no ana say oba no so oba no ne busuafo no ebe make peace e busuafo no ma ne kwai no be yekuna nti ye ho de ebe ka say odobroni de nyame ya no ye wini the case na ma no say court no I declare say oyoyere na na say mami akosua ne really so the koi nyina no court no ebogu ye aha e krata na ode baaye no ne krata no and ye pepe ya na ye can say it didn't meet the requirement.
Okay.
So na my lady ebogu ye aha
Okay. Me pacho na me pese me hu say process of say wo marriage certificate a free outside Ghana ede banum and a court extra kwan a wo be fa so a wo be ye nansa na wo de aba court day na
aha say we dey me bibi a lawyer ni na be hu
okay
lawyer ni nyina be hu say mpo we hu a wo hwe evidence act no ma section 161 no so ka ho asem nanso ye call court no omode first one ba ye na meet requirement na yen defense counsel yen representing we Abusuapanin yen na ye first defendant ye represent Abusuapanin ye church mu chair my lady say my lady cat or the ba ye foreign documents are all better than into Ghana and running so foreign documents ba especially any English language more yen ti German kasa inti e was say ukoji extract no was a his was our marriage office na was one who the comma certified translator not translating not stamp any dini stamp so we are not their comma notary publica or be notarizing license notary public or be licensing or be stamping assign meaning date in Ashaho. We are not the common Ghana embassy. I was born. One month so I want you almost by yes, so almost as so much as to deal with this so and son out here. But near Chester, a brocheno and I say foreign land and so oh, sticky star near me. At every point in your Mushishemu, I wish you show marriage certificate. Are you indeed married? Is a marriage is a certificate value. Oh, my sister Sanya Munina and Sana, a baby and chance and a bahano. Not continue who say, oh, with the family, no one in the Pepeyo. Now, what's in your far way no more? Now, go photocopy Keba. And ye, Yana Saudi Aba, date Wenku, first one out the by a date with, second one out the by a date with, Ninano, and ye, Yana Saudi Aba, the same person this time, we are signed. Or about the same person, a different signature. And now the about font size, they're different. We'll see a difference. It will not meet the standard coordination. And so I was so far, some meal, no matter process, and a standard processor, I was so film. In 20 minutes, foreign documents is in German. Now photocopying back. Now you're translating part in English, part in German. It will not work. Nti my lady no draw my attention trouble and now madam say wa lawyer ne ka say or the original never back or try for 11 hour and or the buy ye poni ya ka say ambush because take na ya close your case area they check after the the buy so kra no a near what say udi fem no a udi be wi a udi be breye no so kra am fem the process was say fem Koti say ebedu Ghana embassy e wo born now the bebre no kra still am fam intina ya na nwanwa bebre say all over social media say yeah the original marriage certificate aba na my lady aboegu ni o ti court ho dem ho dan nyina ono o say my lady chechire yemu o chiro obi emu intina ni akosi no
me pacho me person me bisa wo say Ghana mremu no se we customary marriage no na osan akwakoye ordinance na meaning say law mu no e kire say dia waye ebusuan customary marriage no doesn't valid anymore and then they are holding no dia wakwa abemu ni wukunu akwa sensan. So now me tie dia wo kan kire me say my lady judgment no mine kire say aware na ye Germany aware ne it doesn't valid but ojitum efie die no pacho ho no betumi acheche mu kakra.
Aha, sa yamre mu no sa uya customary marriage na ufi ho koye ordinance a ordinance no e cancel customary marriage no.
Okay.
And sisi ano madam akosa be ka share so no ofi Ghana no call Germany ho wapa koye civil marriage.
Okay.
Wapa koye civil marriage. Let us obey no so prove my emi sampa civil marriage. Then in that case, let us say, customary, I cancel.
Okay.
But here is the case, civil marriage certificate. When to me and prove my senior, I was say whatever.
Okay.
It's not just say ordinance, any hot. Let us say customary grant is still a statistic. What's in American as? Say, or my lawyers withdraw that the Lumba ready for say warrior no jai and more than in Sabana the other. Your conference expect almost lawyer and the expect witness by expect witness now say more can say when it comes to customary marriage under Asante customer and was said Bushia way Eddie in Saneba or Saya 18 side Jai or the back Nebusia way so say Obako de ba na say obi som nebusie ni ho na obi ni adanse a eye den so be dia so when ye bi so bisapeni time a when musie no no na enyo no ye busapeni no e ye obi foforo e na wo ho ti panic ka be dia sa no no oba wo ho e ti na say ho no ye ntimi ehu ni papoti omu gina ye je ye okay senkanu si ebu ya kra dia na senkanu kra no ma le di betwum say ni na customary kra eni ho. But because no yen simian na expert witness na be church no that is still no and the customary she falls on the customary law because civil marriage when to me and prove to the satisfaction of the court.
Okay. Hello. Okay. Eti lawyer me pa chewo. Se na me ti de course Friday nyina ne say eyirum mienu ni nyina no aban age atom my lady age atom se omo mienu ni nyina eye ye papa Lumba eyirenom eti omo mienu ni nyina enko no koye yienum but wo kasa wo se ebusua ene ekye de obeye kuna eti sesi ano ye mame akosua sewa e wo so okọ ebusua wo back anase court ewie ne no ano no.
Court ne say see ano odobroni oye madam akusa sewa eyoyere oso oyere nanso eba ne kuna yo asema eye busuapeni eno ye busuapeni ni tumi a ode obetche ni obeye kuna but in this situation no busuapeni no mpa in law ne kwan ma ne yekuna depending on relationship or ne omowo etisi ano no kire madam kosa say nye sisi nyina ntinka madam kosa onko abusia no ho nonko pa abusia fo ne cho acho no cho abusia fan so ban so no be fa cho wa wo mun tie na supem na omu nyina ntumi yekuna court ne ka so mo ye yire no ba court na nka say o wan hye wan hye busuapeni say omombra na omeye kuna dodo dedi o se ba kuna yo eni eyi yo asema eno ye ebusuana asem nti ombra no me apologize to the busuano ne busuano so njintum na omeye kuna ba odobro ni die oye ono so oyoyere.
Okay. Counsel.
Yes, madam.
If I chair better was.
Yes, madam was.
Yeah, me sure. Any counsel, Fati lawyer, Fati, ye papa Abusuapanin Kofi Wusu, aka Attavked, ne lawyer, and no edi and komono. Bisa say. judgment na baby se sia no yes ye maame na odobroni enko no mko yekuna se sia na mo kwa appeal no date no so ye 13th of December ye nti wo kwa appeal ni se sia wo send ye besisa ye wo ko ne ye no
kakra minim se mini akoso abrempoma se ye na maso 13 nti no de come nhia no ti me kasaba mini akoso abrempoma wana Charles Kwadwo Fosu jade Lumba di na chie ne ofa Charles ofa ne ofa ya apoku o se ye no maso ne maame comfort Jamfi on e dia message o se ye no maso ne nana e kan say ne nana efia aduma o se ye no maso 84 years mesi me bobo a melanom mesi me bobo a Derek no mesi me bobo a Pastor Samenom ohima no tie me ka so macho abusuafo no omu nyina no eye Lumba no ni chocho mucho ti abusua bia ye baako but esi dua bia asiwa e bia we minua kum ne maame ma 6 minua ya ne maame ma 4 bia ola ne maame ma 5 na me so me maame ma 3 tie me ye me maame ba na ewu eno je se kum ne ya ne we enye minua ye abusua but ye kum ntimi me hye entum me maame ma no so because ne maame ma ewu a ye nua no but ye ni say to me no abusua pani de abusua no for abusua ni nyina tie me ba abusua pani ni to me ewo wo nyina so tie me sure ye ka abusua pani betija otumfo a kirem tie ni ye abusua pani ye na to abusua ni nyina no e ma na wo fie no e ma na wo fie ma me for ma no any take decision na ye de abeto abusua pani anim say cabinet ye bia president say ni any adwene na fa stamp bezu na se be fo aye so ombo wa chidom enye so ye abusua pani ntia de obeka na obi nka bi enya ne sa wo ye abusua pani a wo ne abusua ni nyina wo na oda no ba we maame mawu we want me yo mo yotimi ka so won ko musika wo maame we timi ka so abusua pani betimi won ko musika ebi ne we betimi ka me kwaje bosen aba so that ase na abusua pani a o kana se woni Lumba nkasa for 20 years ada na chance we oba be fa na yi no we I don't know about finding you wake up. Who be some son and make us so many problems or abusua, many problem. Why abusua me say chomu. Say Lumba ne down.
Woni ni panin kasakra na
20 years. Now we baba beji chen kwantan.
Nabi suffer.
Oh yes,
suffer me ba. Me
come some bajo please bajo. We are not talking to you.
Me bajo.
Please.
Suffer mpacho.
Tie me. Mo ti am dey na mo ye that's why go bu akoso asewa.
Suffer.
This FM akoso asewa bisa say ni man go to tobi. Suffer. Kaza cheme. Kaza kaza. Please.
Suffer. You don't do it.
Yes, suffer 2 times. Catch again say mo.
See me and the aye show. Me so nyabotre.
Show na obi ase me na show.
Oh, nyabotre. Papa, ye be chire. No musio. Ncheche mutini ya wa. Misrel.
Kasa.
Sesi a wo kan wo bo akoso abempama wo bose obi su bi sam sesi ese mi mbisa wo se wo ye nwan ya wo ebusi
ka che ni pakro se me ni nipa na we Charles Kwadwo Fosu
oye wo blood
tie me ye obe fa me se ni nua tie me ye
nti anya wo blood
tie me ye onye me blood tie me ye yonko bi sini nua Lumba mo te ne kan Ghana no ibi me na me introduce job ma chidire Kwadwo anchi obi bi tie my friend Charles me ye more than busiani oh yes ne maame fa me seba akoso abempoma fa me senua fosi na fosu fa me senua mi fa me ka be temie mi gina seka me crusade e na fosi fa me phone se onsofo papa e na me se wani wo se akosa sa na no mo fra me akosa mi o na waba mani agime so be se me no kasa me se di asem was a brand need to be rescued temie asem of mo fra fosi mi sa no suppose me nya nua nti na me cho position me wo bibia mu hu no Bibi a chance ye bia me na me hwe ye man in properties na me is my brother I love him
me pacho
and you be some say me nua I will show you my position
eye nkofo question o mu bi say
any problem
da yanko meet you
in the same one de ye ko ho no afa na lawyers say say awo chiro mu say na nye o mu kura na ye o mu lawyers ni bi o in the same lawyers na wo ho no bi ne dada no won na ekotro odi sakrata na ma wo mo sa sister ko se wa se o jaya wale o tobo ankasa
nyabotsire sofo o se Lumba na de mama o se ma kosua ena de letter no ekoye ena Lumba de ma ne lawyer
abusua pani se ɔsɛ ɔna de letter no ma
wɔn yɛ sa wɔn kasa asɛm ɔka tie no
mani tie mu tie asɛm ɔka ni ye tu di fa asɛm ni di fa nfuo da kana mo akɔ biem na mo akɔ fa ni letter
da ɛyɛ wo time ni tie
se deɛ me kyɛn sɛ me ba be hu fa ti we no mu no kra no no mo say lawyer bi wo dada
okay
wo ye daddy Lumba lawyer okay onu na sister akoso asewa e tro sa akrata no ma no say o demand niema bi edan any properties bi ni nsase e na afen so mo krata bi o mesan
okay
so wa mesan a 10 days no so lawyer na true me say 10 days no so dey na chesa wasa krata no I agree for that
okay
because omudi ayi bi to ho
okay
cross bi to ho enti sa letters no time no so no na chese wa agree so waja wale na ewo sa omo lawyer dada no
lawyer
dada no enti lawyer dada no na epushi ama foforo
say de ewo
ni iti ana me de me kan no bibia so o mo kan Lumba na e kasa no na ese me ko jino se Abusuapanin ti me na me kasa ba fede what you say na je say asem bia o no ka no o mo kama me jino se Lumba
na pa cho o mo brief wo no o mo state say eniama na mama kosua na odima o mo de ma no
eno no ye ko wa Lumba amfa ama no
okay
Lumba amfa sa niema na ama no teme kura na me bi say na esa atande ngo nim so nko jama de anka wo san ase de ma no no mu mpo mo ko san akotwa awale mu kura wa ango no e de ko gina ko san nti wa amfa ama no according to letter wa amfa ama no
okay
enti no still na me de me tu omo fo say omunyai ni anya baako na so de ma wo so amfa ma wo sa niema we no mu no ebi a ye kan ye to ye bo ase kan ebi kura mpo a watcho na will mu se fa na wo kan say nti bebi a mode ye kone ba mo kone kura mode abehye kuna emwa nti munyai na mu siesi asem no
so na nka ugina peace
nti omre ko court nso a ye ko ye nyame boai ema judge no ka chese wo hwa ase osase mu kura de kam ko siesi ne fie
yet said they are kan na
kam ko siesi ne fie edimi kura de mu ko siesi ne fie a ye ko ohene santehene nkoso ohene o se de ho no na ye ka asem nim se ho de enka akodu ahemfie de enka bibia be ye boko ya ka asem nananom do so o ma ka o mo ntiase na se wania bi elder ono kura de na nkana koma abafom kakra ke bi obeti asem na me asolve no ho a adabo aiti me hwenwa nanka me steady no a nanka obajo na wa na ye wie no ana papa Shee ya Lumba nui oni sister baako akuto se wa adamfo on ko fa ntoko ibae onu krokro ano onu ne papa Shee asema ba nyina omu mienu eko fa nanan edene ko wura adem
nana ngoso yin
nana so otunfo ngoso yin ye wie ye no
nya botre
meboa
wi a me ya no
ona aso ase hin ona aso ase hin o wie na ya ka wie no na papa Shee ene maame no emma no sign omo frɛ no odo omo ko wura ne dem ho to odo omo ko wura dem ho no won che kakra
na wa abonte
na me wa abonte say de ne ye ka asema ye pese omu jai ne ye de ko
so we can now stand
me de me ye bibia omu nyai peace
okay
papa Shee ni mami eko ye akogina ho na o ka jense se opreso amiesiesi asem no ha na se because omu siesie no se nkombe sie ntse de na me ka se omu enu nkoye kuna nanka entwa no no ahu na ne ye say omu once we are say ni ye hu nu ma de omu nye papa Shee ni mami ni ohine no eko wura dem ho papa be 20-30 minutes no omu mai papa Shee say papa ya dwene wa said na dwene say ade ne de won pene ne empene china sanse wa pene a omu koje claim o Germany. Oh, I said mama ti no kure insurance claim
so for na kan
Ah, so for na omo kan so for na kan
okay
o see insurance claim o ka kire nana no and o be ka say
owi a wo be yi
so for mama wie
okay kasa da kasa
Pentecost elder
and o say the papa Shee susu akani nti yenye na maame no ono nkwan ko ekuna no na nte saa insurance no ne nsanka I'm say insurance ne nsanka papa Shee we dey say entiase munyai omto mnyai to omkasa in fact na nanafo no papa dem say wunim nanafo no kra mo chem no mbuofu omoto no mbuofu no mkasa Abusuapanin sorry for momfo masam nko say ya no mka kire no mbuofu pa no so mo sorry for masam nko ka kire judge say ni aka nti papa Shee so onfre de obeye no ono anyam ade na mpayfo sana ohene ne kae ayemfo no doso ade na mwaba na mpayfo atenase ni aka asema 4 hours kwa wo so wonte ase
na muko meeting na eye busuafo na ko meeting na
papa ye kwa nka ye busu maame nka ye kwa busuafo na eko
very high akoma oso enti no kasa bi koso tamana case no koso a part of the process enti ye wie no as all the you are being sought into being you say sanko your apology to somebody else no necessary because they will lose no cry no on ne pain
on side
because of how energized na case ni and they omo ya classify so me lose no they are going through something. It's true. You need to appreciate what they are going through because it was a high stake case. If he had gone the other way around, so they would also be feeling it. We should appreciate what one party is going through and not emboa situation. And Papa Shee, evangelist, seriously, I admire of them. Enthusiasm I will show for a year way. In fact, say maybe I may and I'm at na oh yeah the way maybe I be chow. Me sorry na be chow. Because say unia and I say adamfo. A year they will ye like vim out they ashamed to ensure say the proper thing is done no. A part of me is seeing that angle. But the approach. Don't you believe say Senkebia was someone approacher? Akayen do be a CCA.
In what ways?
Because I say you're a Confucianist.
To you.
I'm appreciating a part of your demeanor, your sense aggression, or the shame no ube person when ensure say be because. But I also believe say our approach be as aha what trances unime be a okeka. For example, you say be 13 December. You are still insisting.
Enya mi o make asama abusua no onti ase abusua ni mo achemi no Abusuapanin on a partner mama brempoma me na make asama nya me se me mpacho de nya no.
My issue with you is this. Reason I order man nyina for 14th no eto aso. Me pacho moko menshia na moko deliberate on the 13th. I didn't man protest wo.
Na me ni ho. Ena nana dade so abaka se yenko hu sama hen yakọ Abusuapanin ama ena make agent say yakọ na chi a oni ho ena nana na se otuko beba 29th ena o ka se otumfo beba 28 enti oba na ye nyina ya ba na letter na de ba mu asem na me kan no o de atom panimfo anim ye hu ya preko pa nana na tuko na Abusuapanin ko ye we no bedboard ena sita cause so one month as because ye mo ka so mo ko set kra na Abusuapanin ni sita bempoma no njia yo ono ye ni bibi fofo no mko yiskeni ye mo na man ye tina ya na edufu aba no fa ya poko no mo njia.
So with stance here will take it nti pese yi na ko science
ye pese ye tu ye bo ase e fe ni ye wie court no awrade ya adoma na kamande no o ma hye autopsy ni ne ma na ase ade ase na
autopsy mo nye
de bi ni nyina yina court ye ni transition phone ni na nti mi go autopsy ye say ye wie afe ni ye wie court nti no mo ko ye autopsy na police for investigating ni woni your 3 accounts ye mo check it so ade ase ɛna ne nti ɛkɔ match no ɛbɛbɔ yi na peace Saturday
so
ebusia so say ye be any are you telling me any Ghana forces 13 December and Sebastian the other side now will represent the show
almost city almost Emma so yes me no ka say me say me na me kasa mo yes me tio me pa mo chon enya se me na me hihye me na me kasa ema o mutina me correct nze nya me kasa mama brempoma any of our any ebusu ni nyina o maka 90% me na me kasa mo
it be so ebusu penya wo da wo best friend I will see diamond o boa no na yere o start abrabo na ebusu penya ye yi nani na wa mo nyina na mo kom yes. Hey, court, I'm away.
Court.
Chill contempt.
On bet you. Means the only channel and Tina call appeal court. I'm more be a police. I read my books. Appeal court was a now I'm
evidence phone call offer evidence for be on appeal
many problem what I'm trying to say is that so be unu be cancel na nko yi anu afekum bajo meni wa ya cancel anye ye bebo prophet meni ya cancel na nko yi na me beto prophet meni ya ka we anye ye that don't mean say meni rise me yes sir
they mean say if you hear oti ha na won say obi an ware obi a na say o fourth match now kan kra no confusion be gu mu
oh David
because any good intentions any good intentions na what dey there we
asem a o kan na make catch us say enipa no kasa wa kan shema no say ono ya ware no na mo say we divorcee we obi aja no and we say
now grab am by and me dey na oji no
ese me ma pepe dey na oji me read e na me see me mpa so me na ne yagoza me na ne yo
mati say oyire ja wo abroju o
eno dey say oyire ja na enye
ba jo Abusuapanin I respect you so much don't go there
no don't respect me respect
we know what say ekina wa we know what say
freeze ayi ba say ya
Matthew pet me fa bi wan say me ba say me go ni ma Dia asem na si oboase. Who be come in that asem? Oboase. Ma worry. Enkrata na me buy na fake. Ma catch the whole Ghana say.
Oboase dey
fake. Who be come in ma say.
Oboase dey. Ba wo dey wo come
Oboase dey so. Ba say wo go nye. Me say na yiri wa.
Bishop Adontin Boatin say
sabe o fefe ya ka ko chempra na wo chempra wo chempra wo na gaza ma
bi na ko be ya na ko bi sa obi ya na ma sa wo ya ma sa obi
oni bi anse ma ma sa ya so na me chi obi ya ka ni Manchester ya ji bi sa no ya bi sa so you know on guy no na bi sa so you know ana ma ka kire ana dia ma ka kire thank you dia ze mo bi sa coming here as
da me so
please go there don't me guys me
na nya
so
but me twa so achemba so ye jazz of